Samping mo.
Hello everyone, today we are joined by a very special guest. No? He's an aspiring artist and a dentistry student. Please welcome our guest for today, Mr. Sunday G. Cañete. Mr. Sunday, will you please briefly introduce yourself and also show us some examples of your artworks and work of arts?
So, hello everyone. My name is Sandy Chikiniti and I'm taking dentistry course. So, I will show you some of my artworks. So, my name art and the second one is my charcoal painting and for the other one is the my coffee painting. So, that's all.
So thank you for that brief introduction and also thank you for briefly showing your works of art. Very beautiful and very nice. So let us formally start our interview. So first question, can you tell us more about your artwork and its meaning?
So, for this particular artwork, it is name art. I use acrylic paint for this painting. For the composition, I went in with a simplistic approach while emphasizing the stark contrast of the black and white color dynamic. As for the meaning, it symbolized my name and the ideas associated with Sunday as a day for rest and relaxation.
I see.
So thank you for that answer, Mr. Sunday. So for the next question is who or what inspires you to paint or create art?
So for me, art has always been a process of self-indulgence and escapism. Since when I was a child, it would always be my to-go-to activity to vent out or express my ideas and emotions, and this habit has been carried over till this day, and I think has been shaped into the main reason on why I still and will continue to do art.
So you're a very expressive artist, no? So let us move on to the third question. Does your work of art hold any special purpose or meaning?
For me, the main theme of my artwork has always been self-expression and to emphasize my current thought process and situation. But oftentimes, I would be bold and attempt to do something different, such as spread awareness or advocacy through my creation for the better good for the community.
I understand.
So thank you for that wonderful answer, Mr. Sunday. So for the next question is what has been your favorite medium, charcoal or coffee or acrylic so far and why?
So based on my experience, I would have to go with charcoal as it is the medium that resonates most with me and my art style. I prefer its straightforward application and consistency on every stroke while not neglecting the complex aspect and technique of art, which can be done through mostly the use of chiaroscuro or the dynamic contrast of light and shadow.
Okay, so you pick charcoal, no? Charcoal is a one reasonable. It's a very reasonable choice. So let's move on to the last and final question. Will you see yourself being successful in the future as an artist?
Mm. So every artist or anyone general has various definitions for what they consider as success. Some of them yearn for financial gain while others consider fame the main factor. But for me, success means being able to continue to express unless purposely stop with my art journey. Then I think I would be successful in the future seeing as I have already accomplished so much.
So thank you for that very beautiful answer and response. And I think that would be it for our interview. And once again, I thank you, Mr. Sandino, for taking your time to come here and answer our inquiries and questions. So do you have anything to say to us and your audience?
So thank you guys for this opportunity to be interviewed and good luck.
So
Uh,
once again, this is Mr. Sandy Cañete, no, our host for today. Let us wish him a very good art journey and hopefully he succeeds in the future. So once again, everyone, that's all for our interview today. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you.